Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to change your name on Bigo Live. So if you also want to change your name on Bigo Live, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Bigo Live application. You can see over here, Bigo Live application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. At bottom, you'll be able to find several options. At bottom right corner, you'll be able to find the option for me. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see your name over here. All you have to do is tap on your name. Now you'll be led to your profile. At top right corner, you'll be able to see the edit icon. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to the edit interface. Scroll down. Under basic information, you'll be able to find the option for name. All you have to do is tap on it. Now from here, you'll be able to edit the name. Simply write the new name. Now tap on the save option that you can see at the top right corner. Now you can see over here your name has been changed. So that is how you change your name on Bigo Live. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.